Well, the chain came off, so we're gonna see. The chain came off in both sections, so what we're gonna do. What the? So I got the chain on that side. I think it goes this way. Watch your fingers, watch your fingers, watch your fingers. There we go. All right, so we got that on. Pa's on his way down just to make sure. But I don't know why it's so loose, but the chain popped off. Yeah, I guess. Matter of fact, Pa's actually not coming down. So we're gonna try it and see if it works. Everything seems to be fine. Here, we're gonna leave it here. It's legal. We're gonna leave it here. I have a couple hours till legal, so I'm gonna go back, get ready, and get in the shack, so.